the defining factor, or one of the main factors, I think, is, are you still gonna love this person if you have a massive disagreement? Is this person still gonna be at home
when I get home? When I finish my shit?
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, funnily enough, friends of mine saw the success of me and my wife, and they said, we'll set up a restaurant down in Bournemouth. And we said, yeah, you should do it. And before they even set it up, they could not decide on what they're going to sell. One of them wanted to do the vegan stuff, the other one wanted to do mixer stuff. One of them wanted to go with higher quality stuff and go higher prices. The other one wanted to do lower prices and therefore lower quality.
Yeah.
It's really important that you are able to compromise on so many things. And so, a deciding factor first off should be, is this an amazing product that we both believe in?
Yeah.
Should we actually get into the business because this is an amazing product or service that we can provide the world? I think that's probably really important, because if it is, then you can both attach yourselves to that. If you're sort of getting into business because you think like it would be a bit of a fad and you think it would be a bit of fun, I strongly recommend do not attempt it.
I think the younger couples, if they want to get into business, look, sometimes it's just more practical. We're talking about the financial, it's just, it makes sense to have somebody who is your partner, someone who you know and who you love and who you think who you can trust. But the reality is, when you're spending too much time with each other, it can cause friction.
Massively.
Yeah, so you have to really, and it really is going to be a strain and a test for your love, I think. Yeah, so if we're talking about
so don't go on a whim. It's basically
don't
what I'm
go
trying to
on
say.
a whim.
Yeah.
But what if we take the spice out of the question? What if we're talking about with a friend? So, for instance, let's just say you and I, we're really good friends. We really get along with each other, and suddenly I come up with an idea and I say to you, Alex, listen, let's do business together. Mm-hmm. What reservations would you have about that?
I suppose understanding what it is that me and you are both bringing to the table prior to doing it would be beneficial going forward in the future, and that's why most people have partnership agreements.
Yeah.
And
most people don't, believe it or not.
Well, no, most people don't have a partnership agreement.
They should.
Right. We were recommended by a mutual party that if you are to go into business with a friend, it would be beneficial, and certainly we both agree with that. We probably would set up some sort of agreement if it was me and you. Be it would probably be very relaxed.
Yeah, but we have a bit more of an understanding. So we are experienced in the world of business. Mm-hmm. We're mature enough to understand all of this kind of stuff. So if I say to you, listen, Alex, we need to set up a partnership, you're not going to take offense. You're going to think, it's a business, we have to. Yeah. Whereas if you were not experienced in the world of business, and I said this to you, sometimes people get into an argument, or the relationship breaks up even at that point, thinking, hang on a second, do you not trust me? Do you not trust me? What kind of a person are you?
Yeah, I mean, I literally am at the moment looking at buying a boat.
Yeah.
And I brought up a partnership agreement for the boat, and my friend was very much like, I don't need an agreement with you. And I was like, but what happens if certain things happen that we haven't foreseen?
Yes.
It's like, well, then we'll work it out at the time. It was very much like, yeah, okay, I do trust you, like we are mates, but we could end up falling out over nothing, over money. It's not worth it. So yeah, we didn't buy the boat, but we're still thinking about it. But I mean, legitimately, I did bring up that point about the partnership, and straight away he was off put. So you're completely right. Like, it will get people's backs up.